let's see if I can do this time without getting jumped by some damn birds. Oh shit.
Protect me.
Attack your friends. Yeah. Bird battle. Let's go.